everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then hi, my name is Sophie and welcome to my space on the internet. In today's video we are doing the third video in my colours of the rainbow. So we've done red, orange, today is yellow. I didn't own any yellow clothing, so nude is the closest we're gonna get, but yeah, if you want to know how I got this yellow look then keep watching. Okay, we are doing the yellow look. I have done one eye and I'm not sure I can match it, so this is going to be very interesting. We're going to start with the Kaylee Exosu Urban Bible palette and take the shade Faith, which is this bright yellow one here, and do a little winged shape with it. So starting off in the inner corner. Okay, so that's the general shape. I'm now just going to take a little fluffy brush and just start blending out that shade. Blending out those edges. Just taking a bit more on my brush because this one I found for some reason is a little bit stubborn to actually blend out. Don't know why, I don't remember it being stubborn. I've used it before, but okay, it's kind of matching. I'm so worried about this not matching because it's so much like more intricate, like shape wise. I don't really do intricate shape looks, so I'm just a little bit worried about it not matching. Okay, so next up I'm going to take some micellar water and a little Q-tip and I'm just going to create the shape that we're going to do with the cut crease. I don't know why I've done it this way, I've never tried it like this before. But it worked on the other side, so we're going to try again and make it work on this side. So yeah, just taking the micellar water on a Q-tip. Starting to carve out the shape I want. And I also take a makeup wipe and use that to help clean up as well. Okay, so I'm taking the P. Louise base and I'm now gonna carve out that shape that we've just done, taking my new brush from P. Louise, which I'm obsessed with, I love it, and the base, and just, yeah. I don't know how much I'll be able to get on camera because it is, I bury my face in the mirror kind of thing, but we shall see. Okay, I'm now going into a smaller flat brush just to get the fine line sorted. I can't make it look as good as the other side. I knew this was going to happen. Full out stress. Honestly, I think that's as good as I'm going to get, which is stressing me out. Okay, so the shape is there. I'm now going to go into my James Charles palette and go into this like nude shade here. I'm going to pack that where I've put that cut crease. I know it's not yellow, but deal with it, okay? I needed a colour that's like neutral to make this look work, so this is what we got. They kind of match. I think this one's slightly higher, which is annoying. Okay, so I've popped that neutral colour along like the top edge of that cut crease. I'm now going to go in with a little angle brush, again one of my new P. Louise ones, and into the yellow shade in the James Charles palette and do like a winged eyeliner with this colour. My camera cut out and now I don't think it's straight. That'll do. Sorry if it's still slightly wonky. Anyway, in with the James Charles, trying to do that winged liner. I slightly overset the cut crease section with the nude colour, so I'm just going in with the P. Louise base and a little angled brush and packing that on where I want the yellow to stick to. You gotta do what you gotta do to make it stick. Similar, I need to build up the yellow eyeliner on this side a little bit more, so like I did earlier, I'm gonna pop the P. Louise base in the shape of where I want the yellow and then build it up, because I didn't put it in the right place, but it's all good. Okay, they are kind of similar. I'm now going to pop off camera, do the rest of my face, and I'll be back to the lower lash line and finish off this yellow look. Okie dokie, I'm back. Majority of my makeup is on. We're now just going to finish off this eye look. I'm going to go in with my Ofra highlight in the shade Glazed Donut. I've already highlighted my brow bone with the Ring Light shade from the James Charles palette. Just taking this highlighter and just popping this in my inner corner, my favourite place, just to give it a little bit of pop. Lovely. Keeping it simple, we're just going into the Urban Bible palette in the shade Faith and then just running that on the lower lash line. Just a fluffy brush, blend out those edges. Nothing too crazy on the lower lash line, to be honest. And yeah, that is the look so far. I'm now just going to pop off camera, pop a mascara and, you know, get dressed. I don't think I own any yellow tops anymore, so we'll see. I'm back and I look a little bit more presentable. I don't actually own any yellow clothes. Again, it's not a colour that I gravitate to. Most of my wardrobe is black. I'm not gonna lie to you, all I ever wear is black clothes with like a bit of pop of colour in the accessories that I wear. So yeah, no yellow clothes, but it's fine. The eyes speak for themselves. I don't need even more yellow on to prove that I've done a yellow look. But yeah, this is the finished eyeshadow look. I popped on mascara and lip gloss. The lip gloss that I'm wearing is the Fenty Beauty Fenty Glow, which if you don't know is one of my all-time favourites, and you should get it because it's great. But yeah, this is the look. I am really happy with how it's turned out. I've always wanted to do the like winged out cut crease, and every time I try and do it, it just doesn't go to plan. And yeah, today it actually went quite well. It's starting to crack a little bit in the crease of my lid, which is gonna happen because my eyelid is bending there, but other than that, it is looking really cool and I love this yellow look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well. I'd love to have you back here if you want to stick around for more colourful eyeshadow looks, or go check out my old videos as well. I have plenty for you to see. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day. Lunchtime.